Okay, this is a momentous video for me. This is my 100th video since I start doing these heritage stroke railway videos, predominantly on the Harcourt line, but I'm down here at Shankill, Shaganagh Beach, side the river, Shaganagh River, and but climb these steps, and what will we find? Local people know where this will take me to. It's my first time up here, 55 years of life. So this is the track bed. This is the very track bed of the original line to Bray, the single track line. Looking ahead in the distance is Killiney, and it's a very popular walkway. It's been repurposed as a walkway. There we are here. Lots of dogs about. So this section of the railway was closed in 1915. So this hasn't eroded away. Up there where the people are walking towards the Martello Torres, so you would have had a temporary junction when they put this in place in 1915, or when the existing line, as you can see there behind the fence and the trees, the raised track bed there is from 1915. So this is from 1854 till 1915. So we'll just go over the bridge here. We have a bridge here over the Shaganagh River. That's the track bed straight down, the pedestrianised area, straight down there. That's where it was the other day. So we'll come around here, have a look around here. So the last saw a steam train in 1915. I'll put information on this, trying to tie everything up together, because I wrote a piece on this deviated line this morning where there was serious concerns back in 1912 of the wall was breached, the rail wall down at Shaganagh was breached, and repairs were too costly. And you can see the practicality of having to move the line inland. Just move over here now. We can see the bridge. There's some stonework here from the line. There we go. There's the bridge in question. So that bridge wasn't put in place by stonemasons back in the early 1850s. There's the Shaganagh River. There's a serious problem we have in Ireland, homelessness. I was affected by it, and some poor guy or woman in a tent there. Very sad to see, but it's the reality of 2022 in this country, so my heart goes out to them. So in the distance there you can see the Martello Tower that was built along the coastline, as I said in previous videos, if you look back on my channel. And it's got it looks like a 1960s extension on top of it. It's privately owned. So it's going to be repurposed as a dwelling. A lot of them have been repurposed. But you can see the electric pylons in the distance there. That's where the line. And you can see where the original line was. But you can see the devastation of coastal erosion straight ahead. So just have a look at this. So yeah, there's must have been a spectacular train ride to hug the coastline, the seawall, and the sea on one side, and Shankill and Shaganagh on the other side. There's a guy coming down the skateboard now. So that's a raised bank there. So I think it was just flat, but as I said, it was repurposed as a greenway. But so there you go. There's a dart in the distance, heading towards Dublin. Killiney Hill, the obelisk, and the tunnel in the distance, Rockfall Tunnel. So please subscribe to my channel, really appreciate it, and feel free to buy me a coffee, i.e. donation if you wish, no pressure, and catch you again soon. So this is kind of a conclusion of this part of the line. As I said, I did two videos the other day at the bottom of Corburn Lane and at the bottom of Shaganagh Park. So this is kind of concluding this deviate. And I wrote a piece this morning. I'll put on this link, and I'll be posting it in several Facebook groups. And okay, thanks for watching this. Fully appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.